Hi, my name is Matt Blaze with LTA Manufacturing. We manufacture fiberglass truck tops and cargo management products. So we're here at the SEMA Show displaying some of our fiberglass truck cap products and our cargo management products. This top here is called our Jason Zone. Color match to the truck, has a full all-glass rear door that can come with a keyless entry system as well. This one has the Rhino rack, roof rack on top. And also comes with what we call the Cat Pack roof storage system, which is real nice for hunting, fishing. Simply pull it out, rests on top of the tailgate so you can access guns, bows, whatever you need to do, fishing rods. It is lockable as well. It's out of sight, out of mind, and it's using up space that you never think about. So. And you can lock it with a key and secure all of your cargo there as well. Over here we have the Ranch Icon, which is really our SUV looking cap. It has the bonded side windows, the all glass rear door, and inside of this is our Loadmaster SD, which is a laser cut product. You want to move it? 75% extension. Slides all the way in. Locks in 3 different places, and then comes to a 75% extension. We also have a 100% extension in a 1,000 and 2,000 pound weight capacities. Again, please visit us at ltamanufacturing.com, and you can find all 4 of our brands on that site. Thank you.